Let's take a look at how to transfer a call. So I'm currently on an active call. I'm going to do this using the Unity application. So my Teams call window is open in the background, but I'm using the Unity application to drive the call. I'm going to do a blind transfer first. A blind transfer is where we are going to send the call directly to another party. They could be an internal extension, it could be another call center queue, it could be someone that's not even on the phone system, so it could be out to someone's mobile, for example. We're going to do a blind transfer to a phone number, so I'm going to press the transfer button. I'm going to dial the number of the person, which is Phil in our monitored user list in this case. I press the ring button. The call is instantly gone from me, as you can see there. It's no longer in my active calls, and it's actually transferred to Phil. And you'll also see here in the status, talking to the mobile number that just rang me. So that's that way to do a blind transfer. So that is one way. Put another call in. We answer the call. Here's another way to do a blind transfer. We're going to go back to Unity. If that person has rung in and said, "Hi, I want to talk to Phil Smith," no problem. I'm going to find Phil in my list here, right click on Phil, and do blind transfer call to extension. There you go. Same exact thing. Phil is now talking to the mobile number that rang me. Now, what we're going to do is do a warm transfer. So, a similar process. Call comes into me. I answer the call, go back to Unity, and we have a couple of options here as well. Easiest way to do it is to find the person you want to transfer to. And again, it could be an external number. You right click on the list and do warm transfer call. That's not a real number, so I'm going to show you Phil Smith. Right click on Phil and do a warm transfer call to the extension. Now, I answer the call, which is a call from me to Phil. You'll now see that I have two calls active. So I've got the call from me to Phil. That call is active. The call to the original caller is on hold. That caller cannot hear me at the moment. They will be hearing hold music if it's configured. I'm now talking to Phil. Phil says he's happy to take the call. To transfer these two calls together, what I'm going to do is click on transfer here. And as you can see, it's highlighted transfer call to Phil Smith. Press that button there. The call has gone from me, and then the call has gone to Phil.